to my channel. I hope you are doing well. And today I have a very exciting unboxing to share with you guys. If you have watched my previous video talking about my favorite 5 mini bags, you would pretty much connect the dots already. And yeah, let's dive right in to see which bag that I got. And of course, don't forget to grab your cup of coffee. I'm just gonna grab an empty mug here because my stomach's not feeling well these days. So yeah, go ahead, have your cup of coffee and let's get started. So from my previous video, I mentioned that I have a very high chance to get 2 of the bags from the 5 favorite mini bags that I picked. The first one is the Celine Triomphe mini bag, and the second one is the Alexander McQueen mini wave bag. So what did I get? Ta-da! So I get the Celine one, and yeah, here is the bag. It's fresh. I haven't really opened it. I just want to wait for making this video and I can open it together with you guys. And yeah, let's get started. Very excited. So yeah, it comes with a very clean Celine shopping bag and paper bag, and I think I've mentioned before as well that I prefer the old Celine compared to the new Celine, but I think, yeah, I am changing. So yeah, let me open it up. And inside comes small little box with the handbags in it. And actually the sales lady is very nice. She also gave me this little lollipop with a... It broke. With this Celine logo on it. Oh, it's supposed to be the actual Celine logo, but anyways, let's focus on the bag. Okay, so yeah, here we have it. This bag right over here. Let me put away this bag first. And let's see, what do we have here? So if you open up the box, it looks like this. And let's open it up, the dust bag. Take it out, and this is the dust bag. And then let's take the small little bags out. Ta-da! So this is the Celine Triomphe mini bag in its classic pattern, and it is obviously in canvas, and it's a very cute small bags. And let me grab the measurement quickly and we can measure this bag together. So let's see, what is the length of this bag? It is 12 cm or 4.5 inch. The height, which is this part, is around 9.5 cm or 3.75 inch. And the width of the bag, which is this part, it is, let's see, around 4.5 cm or almost 2 inch. Yeah, so it is a tiny bag. Of course, everybody knows that. It looks very cute, and I think I'm gonna quickly put some stuff in it later to see how much this bag can fit. And let's open it up. It's not a magnetic closure, so you might need to be careful with this one. And it comes with a adjustable crossbody strap, which is very good, very versatile. You just need to put the strap into these 2 little holes, and yeah, that's it. So inside is just a big area inside, and with a little card holder area for you to put some of your cards inside. And that's pretty much it. And why don't I quickly put it on me and show you guys the size of this bag. Okay, now I have successfully put the crossbody strap on, and do it like this. So yeah, this is the style if you wear it crossbody. Let me just stand up to show you guys. It falls right next to your waist area, very nice and cute and small. And if you wear it on your shoulder, the length is sort of over here, which is quite nice as well. Yeah. And of course it is adjustable, so you can make it shorter, you can make it longer, but I think this length is the best. You can easily wear it on your shoulder, or you can easily wear it crossbody as well. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Yep, I really like this bag. So next, let's take a quick look at the capacity of this bag. So I just brought some daily essentials that I usually bring with me to go out with, and yeah, let's put them in one by one. Obviously, it cannot fit a phone inside, so yeah, we're not gonna try to fit a phone inside. But yeah, of course, if you have the Samsung Galaxy Flip, you know, the one that flips, maybe you can try it out. So yeah, let's put them inside. So first thing first, of course, a lipstick. I always use those small ones. I don't know, it's very convenient. It's smaller, so it makes me feel like I can finish them, not like the big ones. And it takes little less space as well. And yeah, and it's just very cute and nice. So I always use these ones, like the samples I got from the cosmetic shops. So this one, and of course the earphones. Yeah, put it inside as well. And then I have my card holder, which you can fit almost all the essential cards that you want, and also your ID. And then in this area, in the middle area, you can put in some of the cash as well, which is, you know, very convenient. Okay, let's put it inside. And then I have my key with me, so put my keys inside as well. And lastly, let's try to see if I can put this paper tissue inside. All right. Seems like pretty good, and it's the right amount. Let's see, it's like pretty much full, and let's close it. All right, pretty good. I mean, it can fit almost all the essentials I bring out, just not my phone. And yep, pretty satisfied with the capacity since it's a super mini bag. All right, so moment of truth. How much I spent for this bag? Well, to be honest, my husband spent, because this is a gift he got for me for getting my MBA offer. And thanks husband. And yeah, let's take out the receipt from the receipt brochure, and let's take a look. Right, so the price of this bag is 10,500 Hong Kong dollars. I will also convert it into US dollars for your easy reference. I'll put in the screen at the corner, so you can, you know, easy reference back to the price of it in US dollars. But yeah, I mean, it is not a cheap bag, especially compared to its size, but I think the trend is really that we don't use that much cash these days. It's always just cards or like mobile phone payments. So, and I always carry my phone in my hands. Like, I have that serious insecurity problem, so always carry it in my hand. And yeah, so this small bag can come in very handy for me. And I don't like big bags because I don't carry that many stuff. And I think I would use this bag a few more times or for a few more months, so that I can give a more comprehensive review of this bag to suggest you whether you should get it or not. But for me, on the top of my hand, I think if you want to get, you know, the Celine bag and you don't want to really spend too much on it, I think this, you know, is very classic style. Ever since the 80s, Celine came to be the director, a creative director for Celine. This is really classic pattern from his design, so I think it won't go wrong. Is that even if in the second-hand market, it's cheaper compared to the other sizes of the Celine Triomphe bag. I think if you really like the style and if you really want to, you know, own one item from this line, I think this is a very good option. It's fit more stuff than the wallet, and it's cheaper than the other big bags, and it can have all the essentials in it. So highly recommend. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked today's video. It's a quick unboxing. I just want to share with you together the bag that I got. And for the coming few videos, I think I will do more on the bag talks and a brand focus as well. I'm thinking about Saint Laurent because that's also one of my favorite brands. And and also the skincare review that I was talking about last time. We'll do that soon as well. And yeah, stay tuned. And if you liked today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can hear more of me talking about luxury handbags and just fashion in general. All right, I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.